In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Google Calendar for your best year ever. Let's dive right in and explore some simple yet powerful steps that can help you make the most out of your calendar. First things first, you need to open your browser and navigate to Google Calendar. This is your central hub for keeping everything organized. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a section labeled Other Calendars, and just beneath it, there's an option to add other calendars. Click on this option to proceed. Now that you've clicked on it, you're presented with several options. What you want to do is select Create New Calendar. This feature allows you to organize different parts of your life more efficiently. You can create separate calendars for various aspects such as work, hobbies, or personal events. This segregation helps keep things clean and allows you to focus on each area without overlap or confusion. When creating your new calendar, give it a name that clearly indicates its purpose. For instance, label it as work, fitness, travel planning, or anything else that suits your organizational needs. After choosing an appropriate label, take a moment to provide a description. This could be a few lines about what this calendar will primarily be used for. It's helpful for keeping things concise yet informative. Next, you'll need to set a time zone for your calendar. This ensures that all your events are accurately timed, which is especially useful if you're coordinating with people across different time zones. Once you've filled in the necessary details, go ahead and click Create Calendar. You've now successfully added a new layer of organization to your busy life. With your new calendar set up, it's time to start populating it with events. To do this, simply click on the day you'd like to schedule something. A window will pop up, allowing you to enter details about the event, such as time, location, and any resources you might need. This customization is where Google Calendar really shines, as it helps you tailor each event to your specific needs. Customization doesn't end there. Each event can be color-coded, add notes, invite guests, and set reminders to keep you on track. Take advantage of these features to ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. Finally, there you have it. You've successfully learned how to optimize your Google Calendar. By organizing different calendars for different aspects of your life, you're making sure everything is neat and tailored to your needs. Remember, you can continue with the same system for any other calendars you decide to create, keeping your personal and professional life in optimal harmony. Thanks for watching, and here's to an organized and productive year ahead.